Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're opening box 2 of case 1. If you haven't checked out the first box opening, you should definitely do so either before you watch the rest of this video or after. We got some pretty cool pulls in there. Some that I was personally really excited about, and others that some pretty solid legendaries. We did get a Ray and a Kylo Ren, which was kind of fun because we immediately have that combo there. But yeah, I'm gonna start off on the right side as usual, work our way down. Starting off with a Fennec Shand, Hyperspace Base. Again, usually once I become pretty familiar with the cards in this set, I start to speed through the box. But if there's some of you that would like me to slow down a little bit for the commons or uncommons, I can definitely do that. Palpatine's Return, the Trandoshan Hunters. General Riken, Hyperspace Foil, Smuggler's Starfighter. Zuckuss. Ooh, Hyperspace Jetpack. That's a cool looking one. And another Hyperfoil Gamorrean Retainer. Housecast Soldier Hyperspace. Sundari Peacekeeper. Oops. Wrong pile there. Sundari Peacekeeper, Midnight Repairs, Arm to the Teeth. Zori Bliss. And a foil Arm to the Teeth. First Light, and a Mandalorian Warrior foil. Choose sides. Foil Casca Reeves. Nice foil rare there. Street Gang Recruiter. Liberated Slaves, look the other way. Jabba's Rancor, Bo-Katan. Van Brace Flamethrower. Man, I have trouble saying that. A few more packs on the right side. Frozen and Carbonite, Privateer Crew, Rose Tico, and a Finalizer. There we go. First legendary. And with the 4-Elan, the foil slot. So I believe that means we'll probably get Snoke or maybe Evacuate. I don't remember for sure. And of course, as we all know now, there is in fact a larger algorithm to what legendaries you're going to get, or really just what you're going to get in a box. A little bit annoying in my opinion, because it makes it easy to map it out, and then stores can go through and just pick out the packs that they want to keep the cards that are in, and then sell everything else. Ooh, Hyperspace Foil Xanadu Blood. That is a cool looking card. 3 more packs on the right. Gar Saxon. Let's got a Fenrau, Xenatal, Anti-Vanguard. Crosshair Hyperspace. There's Snoke. So, I don't remember for sure. Then that makes it possible for, I believe, Evacuate and maybe Crate Dragon. Don't know for sure. Those are the most likely ones, I believe. If I'm wrong, don't roast me too hard in the comments. Got a Wrecker, and Protector of the Throne. Moving down the left side now. Got a Gar Saxon. Forlon. Survivor's Gauntlet, and Foil Commission. Bravado. Oops. Bravado, Enticing Reward, Freetown Backup, Tobias Beckett, and a Daring Raid. Dr. Evazan, Hyperspace, Ruthlessness, and a Xanadu Blood Foil. Triple rare pack right there. Always fun. The difference in rarity from uncommons to rares is quite drastic in my opinion. I really struggled to get all of the rares last round. In fact, I had to order, I believe, 27. And that was to complete play sets of them. So I guess I can't complain too much. But I did not have to buy any uncommons to fill out play sets, that's for sure. See, where are we at here? 2 more. We got a Suji. Not sure how to pronounce that. And then the Armorer. Looks like 5 or 6 more packs left in this box. Still looking for our 3rd legendary. As I said, probably going to be an Evacuate or a Crate Dragon, but the chunks could have switched around. We might get something completely different. Let the Wookiee win. Gamorrean Retainer. Bo-Katan. Frontier Trader Hyperspace. That's cool looking Hyperspace. Ooh, an upside down card. Commission. Wild Rancor and the Hawk 290 Freighter. Not sure if that's what the HWK actually stands for, but that's what I call it. It's easier to call it a Hawk 290 than an HWK 290. There's the crate dragon. That is actually the third crate dragon I've pulled. Finishes out a playset, which is really nice. Especially this early in the set when people are still trying to get their hands on cards. Can make for some pretty unfair matchups. Crosshair, This Is the Way, Queel, and an Effet Mon. The Hylabon Enforcer Hyperfoil. Ruthlessness Hyperspace, Altering Deal, and a Rokai Gunship. Last pack. See if we can get a bonus legendary or maybe another 2 or 3 rare pack. Did get a Clan Challengers Hyperspace. Love to see the Hyperspaces. Bounty Hunter's Quarry. Chewbacca is our rare. We did actually get a double rare pack. Got what we wished for. Alright. So these were our Hyperfoils. Smaller Starfighter. Entertainer. This one I really like. Looks really cool, and it's a rare. And then these were our legendaries. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.